Hi friends, in this 3-minute video we are going to learn how to use the commands Fillet and Chamfer properly in Autocad. The command fillet turns corners in a slight curve. It's very commonly used in Autocad. I am going to click on the icon fillet. Then the prompt asks me to select the object. But when we use this tool for the first time, we usually have the radius set up as 0, and consequently, nothing happens after specifying the objects. So, we have to click on radius there, or type R, and press enter. Insert 20 for the radius. Now, I can select the first line, then the second one. The order is not important. And as you see, an arc was created in the corner with radius 20. Let's see the next example. I am going to show you to use fillet for all the corners in this polyline. It's really simple. Activate the command. Now it says radius 20. I leave it like that, but this time I want to use the option polyline. Finally, I select the polyline and you can see that the command applied to all the corners at the same time. Chamfer. The command chamfer works in a similar way as the command fillet, but instead of an arc, it creates a line. We have to specify two distances in order to draw it. To find chamfer, click on the arrow next to fillet. Now, the first thing here is to specify the distances. I click there or type D. For the first distance, I choose 20, and for the second, 40. Select the first object. Here you have to respect the order if you want to draw the line correctly. Then click on the second object, and the action is completed. Important tip. For both commands fillet and chamfer, by default the original corners are erased. However, if you want to keep them, click on the option trim and then change it to no trim. So it was everything in this video. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to CAD in Black to get access to all the content of this channel. There are full tutorials, exercises, as well as tips and tricks. So let's meet in the next occasion.